Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome here if you're new. Recently, I got my dad a 1972 GMC truck, and I plan on documenting the entire rebuild process here on this channel. But for now, here is a short little video of them getting it off the trailer in the pouring down rain. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for updates on the truck.
Interior that your old truck had, it was just blue instead of brown.
Yep, exactly. No, that's so cool.
Well, like I said, you know that nobody else.
I'm excited for you to. I want to get it up.
How do you think you're gonna start working on it?
Well, I'm going to take that wheel off there. I'm going to put that other wheel on it. Right. They had something here. Must have been a CB, maybe? Or probably the top of the antenna probably came up here and it held it in. That way everything was really tight on the trail.
Oh, right, yep. Mm-hmm.